Well, hi there, everybody, and good morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski. A very cold start to our morning and bitterly cold wind chills being seen across much of central and eastern Nebraska. A wind chill advisory does remain in effect until 10 o'clock this morning for those blue shaded counties there. That does now include the Tri-Cities. It was expanded southwestward to include more locations here. Basically what this means is that wind chills of 15 degrees or colder are being seen, and that is the case this morning. Those are dangerously cold wind chills. When you're exposed to that kind of air for a long period of time, that can cause things like hypothermia and frostbite, so certainly something to keep in mind. Here are, as of 7 o'clock, your wind chills that are out there this morning. And again, dangerously cold wind chills. They're worse the farther northeast that you go this morning, and that corresponds pretty well with the wind chill advisory that we have at this time. Let's take a look at your futurecast. We could see a little snow today in southwest Nebraska, mainly this morning. I think it wouldn't be much more than flurries, probably not much accumulating snowfall. There are extra clouds across the southwest, more clearing to the northeast. Tri-Cities, we're mostly clear right now, and I think it's going to stay that way through the day. I think this futurecast is overdoing the clouds a little bit around the Tri-Cities. High pressure will build in later today, so as that happens, the winds are going to get lighter and lighter through the day, which means the wind chill factor will be less and less of an issue. That said, cold air is here. It's going to settle in today. It's not going to warm up a whole lot. Now, overnight tonight, that high is going to push off to our east. And as that does so, south winds will return, and they'll pick up through the night. So they will be stronger by tomorrow morning. And it's going to be cold, not as cold as this morning because of those winds, but there's going to be a bite to the air. So wind chill still very cold tomorrow morning. As we go through the day tomorrow, mostly sunny skies are expected. Winds strengthen. South winds are going to be fairly strong tomorrow, 20, 25 miles per hour. Those are your sustained winds. And so while those winds are going to help to warm it up tomorrow, it's going to make it feel colder out there. The wind chills will be much colder than the actual air temperature. But again, it's better tomorrow. It gets even better heading into the weekend ahead. So how about later on today for highs? Now again, it'll be better later today, even if it is only in the teens and 20s. The winds will be lighter later today, so it'll feel better. Warmer temperatures the farther west you go, colder to the northeast. As we get into tonight, then temperatures back down to the single digits and teens. And again, later in the night, as those temperatures kind of stay steady and maybe even climb a degree or two towards sunrise, the winds are going to be picking up, so that wind chill will get colder later in the night as that wind picks up. As we get into tomorrow, highs returning to near average and above average, especially out west, but the winds will make it feel cooler out there. We'll see highs mid to upper 30s in the east, could see low to mid 50s out towards the west. Tri-Cities, I'm thinking upper 30s to near 40 right now. I've dropped that forecast high a little bit for tomorrow. It looks like we'll see near average temperatures for your day on Friday. Friday night, then, much warmer overnight lows in the 20s. Mid to upper 20s, in fact. So that, we're struggling to get highs like that today. So it'll be a better night ahead of us for Friday night into Saturday morning. And our highs on Saturday will be mostly in the 40s, maybe low 50s across the south. Now let's take a look at the rest of that forecast. We've talked about these first 3 days in a little more detail. And again, things will improve. Our nicest day comes Sunday, although we will see an increase in clouds during the day. It'll go from a mostly sunny morning to a mostly cloudy afternoon. We'll see highs in the lower 50s. Continuing to see increasing clouds Sunday night into Monday as a cold front approaches. Now, forecast models are still a little split on that precipitation for Monday and Monday night, although they are coming in pretty weak right now, so it does not look like we should see a big-time storm system early next week. If we see moisture, it should be on the lighter side of things. Beyond that, Tuesday, Wednesday, drier conditions. It will be a little chilly and a little bit below average for this time of the year on Tuesday and Wednesday, but as we look at the long range, after that, we may actually warm things back up. So again, going from very cold today, near average tomorrow, above average over the weekend, cooling back down Tuesday and Wednesday a little bit below average, and then warming back up to above average as we look towards next Friday and Saturday. So we'll see a nice little warming trend for a little while as we approach the end of next week. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. The biggest advice I can give you today, stay warm and bundle up as you head outside this morning, and stay warm throughout the day today. We'll see y'all again tomorrow morning. Should be better days ahead. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Bye.